ku JM Towers angena Credit Bank ime yomuchobo songo bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111 161 500. Oru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Chi tariki ne mirongo hebere na isatu mutinyi no yogatano na kabero mwaka no yobechirubere mirongo hebere ne tano mo monchumo ligerinde no kwegena mbiyora ndonsi asole na gukwanire na boyo kwaligani yora mangana maya yekionga chinsebere chabo no botukeli terane Cyrus Nyakunde asense mili manyerero nigare Wilson Makoli tangani ndegati ali kwaligani tia senchira yobwe.
It is therefore my finding that the prosecution has proved its case against the first, the second, and the third accused persons beyond any reasonable doubt. Consequently, find each accused person guilty of the offense of murder.
Oyo kabiru mu gavana we county ya Migori Okoth Obado na bakagirwande babere konyorekana na momocho yo boitibo yorenge homoroki wa University ya Rongo Sharon Otieno.
Arafu tuwatemire kumulia ara twaitana ni chipara paka rero twachire komonyora engorime
mwana monyaruka b'imyaka 15 kurwa sekenyoro keirondi birongo nyaribali chache konyorekana gaitire
bori baita bagatu bare gotumbaga bataroje omorero ekenyoreko tusinyire ng'aki kiarenge nani ntwa tokonya kobori guna bana naki ekenyoro mwasoogeta banongere kieke gaki mutagwanja motokonya omorero
abamenyi bekenyoro kiameroka bosamaro West Mugirango okorokorobekana asokoborwa Westima. Karibu homanchumo rigereria hiyo kabirumu gavana we county ya Migori Okoth Obado igori tukiria rero atokana momocho yo kumwito morokigwa yorengo gosoma se University ya Rongo Sharon Otieno omwaka wechirubere na 15 okona chwa kwarwe bwano monachibi na we kigambero kya milimani Sisire Githua okodi hamo na bantu bande babere obare Michael Chumo nyamo hamo na Kaspul Obiero igo batokana momocho hayo kuboita asekine kyukyarenge gotegererwa ase heke gambere kyukia mirimani me yo mocho Nairobi muri kutuprani Nyakunde na roboti rwa senchira yo boikira
omwaka wechirwe ibere na 15 Okoth Obado oyo lengi umugavana we county ya Migori ni gabete gakobwatanigwa ase ogoito kwa Sharon Otieno omorokigwa bwe myaka 25 nomo oyo lengi gosoma ase University ya Rongo. Omoberoye ni gotogete asilina ni ria kodero abwase boigo Sharon abwate oborito bwemetienyi 5 ekero obotuki bwakoretwe nigo bwaenegetie ogukagirwa kwa Okoth Obado amo n'abakoli emeremo bae Michael Oyamo amo na Kaspal Obiero ase ogosira kwa Sharon emyaka 5 nigo yabeire kegweta ekero bono litukolia lero omuna chebi na Cecilia Githua aba gakonacha ekina na goteba buna Okoth Obado nabo amo n'ababwatani bae babere nigo babwataniri ase okumuita Sharon nigo muna chebi na oyoboigo ateba babekwe ase gesibo ekero baganyete ogokumeru
There is no escape from the conclusion that the accused persons, jointly with others not before the court, committed the offence charged. The evidence on record irresistibly points to the fact that the accused persons, with malice aforethought, unlawfully caused the death of Sharon at the material time. It is therefore my finding that the prosecution has proved its case against the first, the second, and the third accused persons beyond any reasonable doubt.
Ensemo iye familia nyagusira Sharon bakoragwo na bakili babo nigo baenekia okogokigwa ase okona chuokwo gwekina ase bateba buna nigo babeire bakonyora obwene bwabo.
It has just happened into process, but as FIDA, access to justice still continues for all the women and girls who have undergone gender-based violence. This is an affirmation that regardless of the gender-based violence that anyone goes through, justice will finally take place. And this is to affirm all the women and children in Kenya that justice is served and we will be able to support them throughout the journey. The judicial process took its course. So for us, we welcome the judgment and we're happy that we've been able to see a positive impact on it so that the victim and the victim's family finally have justice served upon them.
We are actually very grateful that the judgment has been fair and transparent. It has been a long process, but luckily for the family, we are confident that the courts have been able to uphold justice.
Yinko ripoteli igetaseni kia getembe rietariane Brian Nyakundi.
Munomurikito Brian Nyakundi hasoro bochuru. Omwana omunyaruka w'emyaka 15 asirieta David Mura. Wase Kenyoro Kaironde wadi ya Bironge bunge ya Nyaribari Chache kaunti ya Kisii igatoka gasirete ubugemo bwaye no mubiro waje gutuka urutire ngore ye moyo Muhammad Ensemere mbarabare ne para eye magega yo kubara asama 12 urangana na bayibuli baye nigo bagwatabuna igo bamutumete go cyakoye amabere kurende atakiete koirana asirera toka gasirete ubugemo bwaye muri kitu Wycliffe Tyson Manyara aroboturu asenjira yo wikira
Delphine Mora omanyikaine buna Queen oyo Chaki amona Tom kuro ekenyoro kia Irondi wadi ya Birongo Nyaribari Chache Kisii County nigo abeire gakobora kurwa sobo amatuko 12 ase atoka gasireti obugima bwaye na omubero oye korutire engoro ime yo Muhammad eyere mbarabare ne para angechimita chimia isato kurwa sobo
Samaria tankor kutom iwaganyo seitere Irondia mwana wane kansirire tio kor Delphine Mora tuamuriria nga matuko 12 ano lia 12 tuabekire chio police station chio ange chons arafu tuatemire komuria tuaitana ni chipara pakare aratu achire komanyora engoro ime mutua eto ikirani tibu yara kinirende ngo so kanyanga so mara ko paka grade 9 tuamutumeta mavere
omubero oye nigo toka gosaregete ase ochakire kogunda ase abamate baichanera egekorekio ase bagikeria boigo
twabeire omwana oyo korigibwa origibwikibwike kibere kingi mantari kororekana bono gakire gotoka rituko ria rero orutire engoro ime ase emete ime kuikirega ntomanyete ng'aki omwana oyo gekona amabera achete kuoya bono arigibwa oborire ochire konyorekana orutire engoro ime
tongotaka abasikari kare bakurusia omwana oyo iga tumanye bitore biri omwori omoru omwiri toka moruto tumakomanya problem ni yaki
haki aba bakorire igonye muntu agokora yari kabire agitiganya saa mwabere naende keigange basakorrekana kabira ase ekenyoreke yeitu obo no bosokwo banne mono sana kakinche ndateberende ngapore asa abaibori bo omwana oyo iga omwana oyo no omwana orenga omoke omwana tamanyeti kende mwana tarara monde mwana tarakora kende kebe ekera abantu bagoita omwana ng'enche kabire ekinyama bakomoruta engoro ime
tokona kobori na gaki omwana obono natogete mboiri kiachiete oboiri bwaborire yaikeire bono iga omwana otokire engoro ime
nono omwana gotoma gochie sukuru maambi buna rerere bwangu ogo twang'eire kwobwa abono abamura abande baseri abasubati abande batatageti konywoma baetanirie emyaka mwerigera liko sitobapime tobamanye buna mure ntotageti korora chechieye igona igure bobe ono mocho korone ndoche ule nkoro mali
omokonyi bw'omugambi bw'ekenyoro ekio Beatrice Ngoge nigateba buna abanyakenyoro bonsi banyare kubeka omorembe ekero obotuki bwachakiwe baigo orwa okuburia gochi ase abaibori bonsi barinde abana babo mono buna chisukuru chiachakire gosiekwa
abaminto nare kubasaba iga egento morakora ekiya ondo obwate ing'ana rinde koreng'ana n'omwana oyo buna aborete goika buna atokire iga nabagotoa information na korurende bono chisukuru ngochichire kobungwa gototakeire koba makini ase okorenda abana baito abana tobabosemia batokanga nono omwana akera akorunga oripoti ng'ai agochia naende ntobasa koira abana baito oboiri mono nono oboiri iga igo omwana bakaenda onyoru na amatemo mbuya akera ore n'omwana onga omaete gareire nyomba igo namotoma ase gete nkoira nare namoire gasi gete ngokorare ngosomare naende nkiagokora
chingaki echiga chisukuru chiko chikoba chikofungwa nigo kubori kwaborigwe abaibori banyare koba maiso gochi ase abana babo kuripotera Gatembe kuri kenyoro kia Irondi Birongo ward nyali bali chache Kisii County Njewai Cliff Tyson Manyara
bia muno mulikito Wycliffe Tyson Manyara haso roboti uru abananchi korwansi kenyoro kemeroka ime ye ward ya Busamare bunge ya West Mugirange County ya Nyamira igemambia yalitukura lero bakoro korobekana ko murembe ase baganeti umuchumbo bo Muske Stephen Mugaka ababekere sima ase kenyorekyo asensemo yoboiraniria nigo mujumbo West Mugirango Muske Stephen Mugaka atebona litukuria mambie nigara chiego tarire kenyorekyo na gukwanira igoro yestime yumuri kitifati ga December aroboti rwa senchira yoboikira
abo n'abananchi bekenyoro kya emeroka babwo besokire na kwemurunganiria kubwatekana no gutabororo Westma ase ekenyorekyo
ngina Robina Kerosi korwe kenyoro kya emeroka mbara abaibori baita bagotubare gotumbaga batarocho omorero ekenyoro ko tusinyire ng'aki kiarenge nani ntwa tokonya kobori guna abana naki ekenyoro mwasogeta bononkere kieke gaki mutagwanja motokonya omorero chikure chitogwaka ndunga kitogwaka tokare gwaka maonjerane
Steve Mugaka ekura ya itonya ne gotageta gotuobereria tokoira ni next time tobekera stimaga bonguro gosemera kafirechi
abamenyi abaiga nonye nabo bakwaneire emechando emenke eyo babire bagwetera kubotekana no musunte ekeribe oyo obaitana ine
tokaira chikeria kiarie pini gochiase obisi y'omorero lakini ekero togochigofuatiria togote iguchikaria pini cheino echiri chikare gochiari ndobwati omonto oratokonye stima twari gosaba lichumbe liaito nae twaete chikura koranche nonye netinga tokogenda gochiarie koromoino gose twaenda gochitinga rogoro ekenyoreke gechaire nande tochaire tochandegete tokoro kubonguro
ng'ori chumbe liaito lirigotenga pato mapambano konye meroka gaki mochumbe gaki baswati bami no basogete nsa ngakitoka bo musunde na baswati bami no korabaru etabo monde na bachite gaki mochumbe gaki tokonye gaki nane ngwachitai kanise gego chaka ditanga ni ditunye chakete kegima umupasto obe yakoreta gaigo mugambi gaki tokonye gaki muchumbe gaki
ase ensemo yoboiraniria nigo mubunke o West Mugirango gwetera senchera yesimi akwanira yaiga igoro yestima eyeiga ya emeroka
na maene mbaranyore stima nimbatalire mambi totebanie esomo chandole ko minister ya energy Opiyo Wandayi no twamoteregete giri ang'ena emeroka tukaigwa na bunestime kubikwa barayi basoba bagagenda bagakachibese chikurwe budget bagateba matageti stima bakabwata serikali yabe gocha kubabekera stima. I want kuengage abatabu and more importantly tuigwane ng'eke represent yegocha gocha mutinyo nane tubura nini president nga chibese chiria babekere 20 karusi wona barayi basobo ngatichigokora chirane babekere stima
okoiga no korobekana kurwase abamenya abaiga bemeroka abo besokire na kuboria omubunko obo Muske Stephen Mugaka anyara kuba enekeria buna banyore estima ase ekenyoreke ginko reporter Gatembe koroiga emeroka yegotoka menye wodi ya Busamaro ebunge ya West Mugirange County ya Nyamira Nchefa Tigad December
Yebono muri kito Fatigad December haso roboti uru mo seneta we kaunti Nyamira Homusko Kongo Mugeni igegereire haireire igoro yogo tekerana kwa mugavana we kaunti ya Nyamira Omuskas Musinyaribo asamagacho ye seneti okwana Mugeni niga tebirbo no mugavana Musinyaribo igabonete gwika seneti ritukuri rero heri gukwanira kwiraniria mabori igoro yogo tumeki we kibesa na magendro ime ye kaunti ya Nyamira.
Kikao ya komiti ya senate ili kurigeria utumeki wa kibesa kyabonete kwa rero kitariki 23 mutinyo yosawa aiga bunge ngerigo chikogandire kyara mu governor we county ya Nyamira Musikia Musinyaribo osabiriri bagane kikai kitenene ikyagara kwandali kinsi chesko ajikorora umunyagitani aturikirete yuko kitariki 15 mutinyo sawa mwaka oyo agatatebinga ekikai kyalero kinyare gotenena engakiria chite naende mubire na arota iwete bieto batriniki igonto matenga maswali na araterere nukuruse obutumiki bwejo esase county ya Nyamira otokusabura mugaba na atatebyo nyomubire to iwete buya agenda ro munyagitari nande nyasamo konya yubuya ekara iranire batomanye irinde tanyare kumurangiria aiche koreria amaswali ige kikai kyale ro bali mwaganyite kuri county ya Nyamira ngerigo chikogenderera esenyencho yeri uke twalikeretwe no mugabana
Litiko liarera babwatani boboteneneri bwa mwachikapara gati ya Vokena NTSA Kera hamo na Kenya Traffic igobamwerana na barundi bechitiba cyomuchanga hime ya Kisi asogosanga chinchira cyogosireme basakano asokubuna mwachikapara ingana yaberege koleta liberera lyokubugoli hemesigo gwetania kerengo muri kitodibon asanya na robotura senchira yoboikira.
Kama ni gari ya serikali watu wangu watasimama.
Abarundi abange nigo benyorira segesibo anana sokobuna machikapara nabo igabange kwenyora seme basakano eyo yaberege kubairira barwo gosiria magima litukura rero ababwatani boboteneneri bwa machiko yepara nigo bomerana n'abarundi ime county ya Kisi asokwana no bosemia nabo gusanga ari arengete okurinda machiko bakoragwa no muteneneri wekiombe kya NTSA asorogo ngoroiga.
My name is Aden Ado, I'm the regional manager NTSA South Nyanza. Today we are here courtesy of Truckers Association of Kenya through KENHA, a forum that we having discussion with the Transporters Truckers Association of Kenya on matters concerning all of them, diverse from road safety, and it is revolving around the issue of self-regulation, so that as business people, as transporters, they can be law-abiding citizens.
Naitwa Rafael Lamuya, the current chairman Truckers Association of Kenya. Tulikuja pamoja na government agencies ili tuweze kuweka akili zetu pamoja na tujue jinsi ambayo hawa transporters watasaidika.
Gusanga ekerekyo no mu engineer wekiombegia KENHA Peter nigatebirenga matuka mange nigabarundi abaiga bakwenyora sama mocho.
Moto kubwa sana ambayo tumeona ni kuwa kwa muda mrefu hawajaelimishwa kwa sheria ambazo wanafaa kufuata wakati ambapo wanabeba mchanga.
Gideon Yakwara oyoro mokonyi bu director we enforcement me county ya Kisi goboigo abeko kubole gucha sabarundi kwebwaterania sogosanga ibirengerero byabo
wakati wa public participation waweze attend ili kwamba maslahi yao yanaweza kuweko kwa finance bill.
Omwelioye abarundi abaiga nigo bagokera okonyora obosi bore bwokora emirimo batarigopimerwa ebiro ngana boigo batebirenga ogosemeria nkorororo kuguchukubwatia machika yaiga asokulinda magima.
Kama tumepata wako na shida ya kutransport mchanga kutoka 6 hadi 6 PM, na hiyo kitu tulizungumzia na president akakubali tufanye kazi 24 hours. Hata ilikuwa inazuia project yake ile ya muhimu kabisa ya national low affordable housing, na kwa sasa transporter anakubaliwa kutransport building materials throughout around the clock na itatupatia benefit mzuri.
The public have been sensitized on the mandate of the agencies that are here, and it is my hope and belief that The takeaway is that we are going to be more compliant and reduce the fatalities and injuries as a result of this enhancement and education.
Kurega kaunti ya Kisii ria ni gongoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
Bia muno muri kito Diponi Asanya haso roboti uruo. Abara ini go basemiwe kubika maskani ase sekta ya bodaboda. Gosanga na getembe hegati ya bagendi wa bodaboda korwa se subcounty ya Borabu ni bakora wana chairu mugire. Wilia bulira raida sande unnase. Nigo bagi kirinchira bara igete bagotumika bobe abana siasa. Gose habagendi abo kogani sekte yo enyare gosikwa. Asense muyende nigo berra hama kongwari bagwetera. Ase baganire aba rayi ko bakonyo muri kitupulikapo kara norbotirwa senchira yobwekira.
Sekte jiga ya bodaboda kurwa sorgongo rwa gusini yagendera ko ba embole gucyasa magima yabange azibono gikudege tindiki yagendera ko bagekuriye gucyasa bana siasa abo bagendera ko baguyetumeke sekte jiga go turwanya omuremba sinsem uyu wango mono ko gikirya ayanga buna jiga nomunyakirogo we erombe jiga ya bodaboda nseyiri ya buli manyakantabna bodaboda riders and owners association kurwa sorgongo rwa sub county ya Borabu asiri tajairo mugire
asabanda bakuboli borai mbaba sokutumika bodaboda bobe abanyare ko koleta gisegi una tienda korroka nasinze mojini
osangabo nabo na bodaboda bande nigo bagendere ko baba bakwerera enchira amagendera agendere ko bagakuratera inyore karibu nakirari tuko nigo bagutumika kibare gento baganekiro isigweri morioka asibo igo bajiganire serikali nene ko nekibunango ligereriere ligoli lya mabuta
igo bokima bwato ko ngaire na sekta ya maftero mafuta ya serikali yoro yale wanje tokeria mafuta ine reta na 180 guserete 150 abakanyora to gokonyeka
na torege paranera ekurwa nyansionga kanda gesima pale ya tuitire vumbi ona tubwate tarajere ria makogoti ali pigipigi murasta na gwete igororo jali
nande bone tukumetio botutukanu bwabe ire ngai tuache tukabagwa nyansiongo gwodi tuabwatre na masaba bone tukumetinga gaki eya iriga tokoro so we para ne jema ntoko cholerwa agia bara ibaito bari wanja bachamo batokonyere tarajeri moina ali ntoku tutoreka chikura
egentaba na bodaboda bagendere ko bagosemigwa kweneke buna babwatere ko boko ebyombe ebibira bakonya kwegendereria
abuna bona ganto bwate kya riders and owners kya kere county ngima igachaka ba sub county gachira si ward bo yongera si stages yongata ya basa bana siasa bali once pibaro bakubolie birogo na bali bara service banyara go bagosire byombe byonsi egera abana bodaboda baito na barabo bakonyeke
omwali oyechinga kichiga chiskuru chirange gosiekwa nigo munyakirugo yiga hawe sekteriga ya bodaboda kurase sub county ya Borabu agendere ko bagakubwato ko bosemya ocyasaba na bodaboda na kurugwe kudego tini ocyasaba na bali barachikonya ko bakubateraniwa asobogendia wa bodaboda
ndaite mutu ara maskania mana sabana abeje skuru karamoko boy monda speed chirense boigo munyare ko kubaira chinga cyabo bale no morembe ngo advice inde abanyene bali babwa chipigipigi abana mbaro bagale skuru bakorokana nga babwate mebere menene okoranga umwana okinire abana abumba ndatakere gotoka sepada boda onde wese konyakana kabwate pigipigi nirakwirwe getambo kereke kongusana ye seria ya serikali oyo ngwachi tora basikali baito baseito Borabu tukubaretera pigipigi ndonsi abana babe skuru babwate egera bali yo monyene oyo mwato umwana we skuru pigipigi anyala go tekerwe getambo kero
gingo reporter getaseni kya bwanchete kya getembe kuriga ase sub county ya Borabu imeye county Nyamira inche gongoro kwa Polycarp okara
mbu ya muno muri kito Polycarp okara ha sorobotiru na go ikiraga bumonjo muri gelia tonyoro mo timokomo keto ko irana ntogende ne kyonga senchira yobwekira
eduka ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokemeyo mu cyobusongo nkonya bale ebintu buna bono mbabwate esukari kurwase chi company au obusi bw'ingano amavuta y'icingeni kurwase chi company au amajani kurwase company ya Keteba echumbi ya Kensalt egati bintu binde binge bwigo nkonya bale chirangiche company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwase company ya MRM aywale ayechi size au nabego ne chirangi au nkonya bale black sheets egati bintu binde binge inyuranga mbabwa tobokoreri obu yabuna bono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbabwa tobokoreri wa forklift asebe bokoreri wa which customer care bore obu ibirengo bigoro totigara magega agirira rero bwikumbolere ibintu biga aserigurira mu buko asamange totalere astisemo cha Uhuru complex eyirangi na magacho Safaricom boigo no tukutuka sakro ku JM Towers angena credit bank ime yomuchiwo songo bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111 161 500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Asamaria Tengo kwa James Barale Nyakundi, principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, iliyotoka Limongoni, Kitutu Masaba constituency ya Mira County. Kitutu Masaba Technical College ya serikali iliyokoa abana courses au chuo bundi na ndabone gentege tangani ndakora werene ngambi yamono asoko to abana woje college na especially during the May intake na ndabone ngo batangasira torenga September intake ndoga ndete kwa admit abana elinde baje basome baje wekonya sama tukagocha
esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College ebwata chikosi buna Agricultural and Environment Studies aziba kwiga Agriculture and Extension mpubwate course ya Mechanical and Automotive Engineering aziba kwiga Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo mkwiga bale Plumbing, Masonry, Building Technology, Civil Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics mkwiga bale ICT operator, ICT technician, computer packages, cyber security na wigo na network system administration asinsema ya electrical and electronic engineering mkwiga bale electrical installation na wigo electrical engineering asinsema ya cosmetology mkwiga bale hairdressing wigo mbabwate fashion design mkwiga bale food production yani cookery na wigo food and beverage production wigo mbabwate course ya driving kucha sibali bonse baraganye kwigera kugenda Kigali
abana bagasose college ya Kitutu Masaba koye gubale government scholarship koye gubale higher education loans egiye kubakonya sama somabo na kwakana inyomba na ande koye gubale constituency bursaries kuna bono asabali bakuru Kitutu Masaba constituency umubunge honorable Kilibu Kisairo kuba support yale sana soko baji bursary na ande nechi constituency chinde chiriki twetana ne chonsi twaigwananire nechi CPF funds baje baba support ya soko baji bursaries yenda cyo muri ndabatebingelinga leta abana Kitutu Masaba elinde basome banyore skill yera bakonye asama tukagocha yama
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuru yiga ose obakirisi migwetera sinamba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068 nabono intake y'umutinyo September nigo egenderete ayirira
Karibu nende omwanchomo ligereria hoko gani nkoraro kugosira bakuri emirimo bikigasya maboko asoko bakonya wekinia na gosiri obutaka ayega nkorengana no murabe nsomo ske William Ruto chinga kichegekaro nabakanika n'abantu bikigasya maboko hime yo mucho Nairobi iboigo kwanire emiroberi ya serikali yo bakonya akanyore ebintu by'emirimo nabayigo chisa certificate muri kitodaniro ntiri noroboti urasenjira yoboikira
ase gikaro ase nyumba y'uburai State House ime y'umucho Nairobi umugasorero ekikyabletamo amakanika n'abantu b'ekigasi cy'amagoko wetania kiribusano kurwase county ya Nairobi umurai bwense nigo chinga kicho akwaniro kugania ku sire bikundi bunebi kuwatekana nemiremo yabo nechinga kicho kwanire mirewelio ye serikali kubasira.
Kenya sio yetu sisi ambao tuko na payslip peke yetu. Kenya ni ya Wakenya wote bwana. Kwa hivyo saa zile tunajishughulikia sisi tulio na payslip, tusisahau hawa Wakenya mamilioni pia hawa wanalipa ushuru. Pia hawa ni Wakenya, wako na watoto, wako na maisha yao, ni lazima tuwafikirie vile vile.
Asense mwende Ruto nigarira ya bene kubeka ensemo shilingi chimilioni 53 okonya aso kubagorera bintu bingincha ase miremo yabo kubakonya aso konyore chiro yemiremo ao.
Kwa sababu tunataka hawa mafundi wanatusaidia, lakini wanakosa vifaa hapa na pale. Kwa hivyo mimi nitapanga kama serikali vile mutapata vifaa ya kuendesha ufundi wenu na biashara yenu.
Chinga kechecho murawiga bwense nigakwanira kukania kwabo kwerikia aso murubelio o recognition of prior learning wakonya aso konyora chi certificate kongana nemiremo yabo eli konyora chigasi asi chinsemo ao.
Kuna mafundi wengi ambao hawana certificate. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Watu ambao ni wa kujituma walianza pale, wakawa ni mtu ya kutumwa, lete spana, lete lete nyundo, lete msumari, akajifunza pole, sasa ni fundi lakini hana certificate. Sisi tuko tayari na tayari tumefungua mtandao ili nyinyi mujiandikishe, na serikali ya Kenya itakulipia wewe gharama ya kupata certificate na tutakupatia certificate.
Kuruba tirega tasini kia gatembe kurega se nyumba y'uburai ya State House ime yo mucho Nairobi. Editera nenguru kwa Daniel Untiri.
Bia mnumurikito Daniel Untiri ha sorobo churu. Ikiombe kia wakili Law Society of Kenya LSK. Igo kia gandra no mugirobo aselitukuri kabererero. Asoko mucho komentikana kubikuru kurumi na bigo bokururu be ase bigambiro. Igaba bakiri kurwa se kigambiro kia Nakuru. Barubekana go siasi chabisi chabona chebina habwa sebako ganyomo na chebina Faith Mutuku. Kunganyigwa kurwa se kigambiro kyumulikito Prani Nyakunde na roboturwa senchira yobwekira.
Ekiombe ky'abawakili asensemo ya Nakuru nigo barobekana go kiasi cyabisi cy'abana chebina abwase bagania okunganyigwa kumona chebina Faith Mutuku ase ugotasika omugiro w'abawakili nakogenderera gotegerera ebina aboli tuko lyeigoro bakoragu no murai w'abawakili asensemo ya Rift Valley Wangari Mwangi abawakili abo nigo balira yogo cyakogenderera ko basumugiro goika ekero mona chebina oyo ararusigwe aroro.
Demands are that she exits Nakuru chapter today, Nakuru Law Courts today. If she does not, the Law Society of Kenya Nakuru chapter will boycott her court every day until she is transferred. And in fact, until she is removed from this station. We don't want to use the word transferred because we cannot allow transfer of problems to other stations.
If you're not happy to be here, please leave. You can go serve elsewhere, but it is very sad that having signed up for this job and knowing very well that you can be posted anywhere within the Republic, you choose to arrogantly address advocates, their leadership, that you were forced to be here, you never wanted to be here.
Nakorwa ase kigambiro kya Kajiado abawakili nigo boigo balireira yo chakova somogiro yo abwase bate babuna ebitango mbiro bibekire ebyo bigotanga kiombe kya Judicial Service Commission ase ukoimokia ebitambokero byelichiko gochia sensemo y'abana chebina abo batali gukora emeremo yabo buna ebwenerete.
Leo ni boycott ya makoti yote Kenya. Tumeuliza koti ya kuwa kama leo ilikuwa na tarehe, hiyo kesi yako ipewe tarehe nyingine. Kutoka kesho tutakuwa na ile inaitwa targeted boycott. Iko majaji fulani ambaye ni jaji kama 8 hivi ambayo wameambiwa ya kuwa wako na issue ya disciplinary wajibu, na wameendea order za koti za kuzuia hao kuweka majibu yao. Yani wamesema order inasema wasidiscipliniwe ama wasiendelee na proceedings zao. Wengine wameenjoy hizi order miaka kupita 5 na tunaona ya kuwa hii sio haki.
We are part of that boycott for the entire country. We are saying we need greater accountability. We need integrity. We need justice not only to be done but to be seen to be done.
Inko ripoti igataseni kia Getembe rietariane Brian Nyakundi.
Mbia mnumurikito Brian Nyakundi ha sorobotiro. Para kiama kia ODM wakora wanumuriki ntenenera wiki mekyo Catherine Umanyo igobagendete ko kere serikali yobomo ha sekelini gegendete kwikirania magendo chinsemo chionsinse yobraiwa yomuraiwe nsumuske William Ruto ukwana sekya bisinene chikemekyo hime ya Nairobi barayaboni gobatero na mbali goche wanchire kiama kende gyonsi goche ko eguri bagali okobeka omurwaniriye hase bateru na kire kiama kire no bosibole bwo kobeka omurwaniriye asobokero bonene bo mwaka w'ekirubere 2025.
Never thought that ODM is normal. Atarudi aseme it is important to have structures in any institution. Everywhere in Kenya nikienda sahi nikitaka branch leader tu tuanzie tu hapo, hata polling station leader niko nae. And because we went in, now we know what is there. And as I speak now, I am a witness that it is true. Some regions were neglected, they were delayed, they were discriminated. But because of the president being who he is, accepting to join hands with our baba, the late. Sahi tunaona some areas zenye hata tu kuona Katamak Road. Sahi vitu zinaendelea. Contractors wako site.
Na sisi tumesema hatutaki zoning. Mambo zoning hapa Nairobi hatutaki. Hatuachia huyi, wacha chama hii, tuachia huyi, wacha chama hii. Chama hapa Nairobi, chama ni mbili, zile ziko popular. ODM na DCP. Hapa itakuwa vita ODM na DCP.
Mukiamua tunaenda na tuangalie nyuma. Now we don't regret being part of broad-based government.
Moraiwe kiama gia DCP hoiboigo horingo moko nyibo moraiwe nso Rigathi Gachagua igwesokire na komochia serikali wetirase wizara y'oburendi asoko sinywa gukora hebekorwe babo byabawuni haigaime yensi ya Kenya ukwana chinga kicho Gachagua ni gateribuna hanye serikali yo kuosensemo yo kwamiria serikali ego chiko irobora inigera chikwene kibuna kero mwananchi nkonyorare oburendi boisaine
sema ati utapigana na goons. How? They are no goons. These are rogue police officers who are being called goons. Nimeona huyu kijana yako anajiita waziri hapo akipongeza ati IG, I have confidence in you. Yes, you have confidence in IG kukubalia wewe kuhangaisha hii jamii. Because you IG amekukubalia. Wale waliua hawa hawatashikwa. Ni hao polisi wameenda transfer na wanajulikana. Lakini nataka nihakikishie familia ya kwamba there is no time limit in criminal acts. Next year, mwezi ya 10, hao askari waliua hawa tutawakamata na wataenda kotini, watashtakiwa. Wale maofisa walivamia kanisa ya Mweki, next year watakamatwa, wataenda kotini. Wale machifu ambayo wamehangaisha watu hapa, next year tutawafuta kazi, tuandike machifu wengine wapya. Na mimi nataka niambie police officers, 95% of you are very professional. Wale 5% mnatumika vibaya. We are documenting your acts of commission and omission. Next year we'll take action against you. Na sisi tukiingia serikali, kazi ya kwanza is to clean up the National Police Service. To weed out all wrong police officers and to terminate the services of those wanakataa kuchukua hatua wakiona hatia inatendeka.
Gavana we kaunti ya Nairobi Sakaja igahene kiribuna na gendete kubatirana hamone sekta asoko ne kibuna ngochiare gukora ibikorwa byemerero ase chiro ya Gikomba ukwana bosi bya kamati ya Senate igo isakacha ene kibuna na chikwene kibuna wananchi ukora bale bonjuru bwabo muchandondo wensi utaiyo.
I'm very passionate about Gikomba market. From the time I was in this house, I explained earlier the causes of the fires there. One had been illegal connections, which we have been able to deal with. Two had been insurance chasers, which has gone down. And unfortunately, now many of them are not being covered. But three was a land issue. And with the NLC, because there were speculators saying that this land is ours, I told them, anybody holding a title to Gikomba, that is a piece of paper. That land belongs to the county government of Nairobi. And we made progress with the NLC in actually getting our title. We've done the survey, we have the PDPs and all of that, because that is the major issue. But the ultimate solution is creating a modern market, because the modern market that is in a building is harder to have a fire spread than where you have, Gikomba has many categories. Kuna watu ya samaki, watu wa nguo, there is Gikomba ya mbao on this side. And these are people I know. Mbao is Karanja, is chairman, Fish is Oimba. And I keep telling them, you guys, can't you see why you want to do a modern market? It was very unfortunate. Politicians went to incite them against moving. But now, try and tell them not to move. They will chase you. Because they have seen the loss themselves. Mechanics in Gorogon were being told not to move. Today they're saying, please, Sakaja, when are we able to move there? Because they saw their colleagues dying in vehicles, stuck, because they're on the river. So for Gikomba, the modernization is the ultimate goal. Right now there's a block going on.
Ekiombe kyobo choline chimbibe IBC igo kyabekirese yo kubaterana ne kiombe kya United Nation Development Program una henjereyemo yo konyoro gusirwa bosi obacholi bonene bo mwaka wa 2025 ekiombe kyo nigo kirachi konyora obokonyo bubwise ni chiringi chibironi 5 asogo cha kwene kibuna IBC ngokorere obocholi obwene n'ubwasiuko.
I would personally, on behalf of commissioners present here and staff of the IBC, and indeed on behalf of our partners, the United Nations and development partners present here, who are working or willing to work with us towards mobilizing more resources through this UNDP basket fund. My gratitude comes from the record time within which you approved this program document. Because again, Treasury, just like the AG's office, has to look at our agreements, funding arrangements with international development partners. And all this is in the spirit of transparency, because even these resources will be audited as at how we've deployed them optimally.
Electoral preparedness is one of the most important determinants of a successive election. Preparedness requires timely voter registration, effective voter education, procurement of electoral materials, robust election technology, comprehensive training of election officials, efficient dispute prevention and resolution mechanisms, cybersecurity safeguards, public communication, and close coordination among constitutional institutions.
The government of Kenya invited the United Nations to support its preparation, then subjected the program to full legal and public finance review through the Office of the Attorney General and the National Treasury under the leadership of the IEBC. A government confident in its institutions does not avoid scrutiny. It invites it. That invitation is a testimony to Kenya's determination that 2027 meets the highest standards of transparency, credibility, and peace.
Na goi kiraga bomanchumo ligera nongo ikero mweli wa mangana mayeye kionga chinsa ibere chabona butiko kulende chikoraga chinsenye ningira nenkumanya senchira yobo ikera kulende tutarakora na igokoro ku Hassan Chef atena watching live korwa irondi pole sana se familia ya Tomo oyo hosiria humano yotoka engoroime yakoro kunere cheria kirbo atena following korungumbu Paren Kingdom kuikage Tembe TV yakorokunera tirisombo katirisa watching live korwa Mathare North agotebona nwara munilisa seria ya Damar Kirin Kamalski muntu n'abantu bonsi bali akimai Samaro David Matata mwali wa hotena korwa magwawa no habwatite kiunga senchira yobikira nero korwa tenfanyera korwa apa iri Nairobi agotena nwari ime yekiunga senchira erendonge lietera nense irasi nyakunde hasense muyimenyerero igarenge hwire soni makoli magachi kamera orenge Wilfred Matundra eneki hamalio gene chipichago chira senchira yobo ikiranu igarenge DJ Atsenago sabiro twaru boligereria urubia
Baraka ninjo ninjo rembe ninjo dorome manana man bagina ninjo
mukiale bera sumi babo minto no mutindi nataliro mukiale amasaka gukyanga kai nyomba nkire boli okonyoro omonginale boli nyakeuruti omongina nyakeuruti kabisa mutindi kabisa nakibono yagati yomukiale nakia tata mukiale bera sumi babo minto no mutindi omutindi pi tigagocha gocha irungu mukiale bera sumi babo minto no mutindi nyomba nebogiranga yitorogora lichoru kangie korukwa abagesumi ili nyumba yo muizeke muiziko tachete bwa kama beke sumi nene seme ya mwenye nyumba era mukali koroka usema kimoko yeroka mukiale bera sumi babo bintu n'umutinde natali mukiale masika gucyanga
baraka ninjo rembe ninjo dorome manana man bagina ninjo
Eduka ya Uhuru Superstores yo gutokemeyo mu cyobusongo nkonya bale ebintu buna bono mbabwate esukari kurwa seche company ao obusi bw'ingano amavuta y'icingeni kurwa seche company ao amajani kurwa seche company ya Keteba echumbi ya Kensalt egati bintu binde binge bwigo nkonya bale chirangiche company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwa seche company ya MRM aywale ayechi size ao nabego ne chirangi ao nkonya bale black sheets egati bintu binde binge inyura nka mbabwa tobokoreri obu yabuna bono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbabwa tobokoreri wa forklift asibego bokoreri wa which customer care buri obu ibirengo bigoro totigara magega agirira rero bwikumbolere ibintu biga aseri gurira mu buko asamange totalere asinsemo cha Uhuru complex eyirangi namagacho asafaricom hoigo no tukutuka sakro ku JM Towers angena credit bank ime yomucho bosongo bakere simigwetera search number chabo 0111 161 500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Ne nubatekorera kundi wensi ebenkulie kwemekutano okorera kugukwa kulie gukwinyuria kusemera igende yonsi oraganie erariwe mono getembe